Alright, Pulsar, your new mission is to make the freaking drain spout actually go to the drain spout. The auto choke doing this thing? What? Alright, so this is the Pulsar G450RN. I'm going to do an oil change on it. I'm going to start off. Get this thing up on. Got room to work down here. I got a couple different things. I got the Flaw catch pan, got a funnel, and I got this cool little mini funnel for the inside here. Recommended oil SAE 10W30. So start. Pop this little guy open. That's the little plug bowl. All right, it's a 10mm socket, and it's got a cool little this little door you can open right up, and from that camera you can see. Oh, it should fit right in there. But the weird thing is, so you can't really see, but down in there, it's very difficult. So there is a little plug that goes, this little plug right here, you pop right out, and then the oil is supposed to drain right into there, but I don't trust it. So I'm gonna do a little bit more for mine. This little funnel, I'm going to try and get in there and get it to sit right down in this little hole. And ideally this funnel will catch it and keep it from going into the boxes down there. So I'm going to see if I can around this way. Oh, girl. Here we go. Broke loose now. Okay. Let's see if I can get that. Alright. Oh, and it's doing so bad. Not going into the funnel whatsoever. All over the place, so tip it just a touch. And I can already see it pulling up everywhere. Probably the dumbest design I've ever seen. Alright, Pulsar, your new mission is to make the freaking drain spout actually go to the drain spout. Or get an extension for it, like. I guess I could put this back in. Yeah, there's a good amount of metal in there for right now. I mean, it's just still pretty early in the life cycle of this thing. But yeah, you can see it's a little definite flakes in it, but it is the first oil change since its birth. Alright, let's say 10W30. That's what I recommend. So we're gonna go with that. 0.6 liters. According so the manual says 10W30, 0.6 liters. We have 1.5 in here. Be careful about going too high because that's when it didn't work before. So okay, and that may be part of the issue is that. So it says to put in 0.6 liters, but that's too much. Yeah, they tell you to put too much oil on this thing. I guess maybe that's just a touch over 7. Maybe I did go a little high. I think we're looking good. It's right at the edge of where it would be pouring out, and that's what I remember from the Predator 212. So, okay, all right. So that's hopefully this part. Okay. Alright, let's go with the electric start. Battery's on. The auto choke doing its thing. What? That gas. I have to change the gas here, so there's still too much oil. It's cold. Not bad for being right next to it. Yeah, what those with 3,000.